If you're thinking over 55, Mays Landing, New Jersey, click the link below. You'll get a full detail of this property. 18 Lewis Drive here at Horizons at Wood Landing, Mays Landing. Let's check this one out. This one has 2 beds, 2 baths. It's 2,363 square foot of goodness. We have this little parlor area. It's got these really nice French doors, and you have the coffered ceiling up here. Opens up into the kitchen, really fancy countertops. This island is nice stainless steel appliances, 42-inch cabinets. The property continues into this family room with the vaulted ceiling. Let's check out the back patio. This is an E.P. Henry herringbone design patio. Got this huge foyer here. Laundry room. You have the loft up here. Plenty of room. And on the second floor, this is your utility room. Need more information about this property? Click the link. Thank you so much for watching.